Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome to Vlogtober day 14. It's 7:32 in the morning. I'm trying to get a little bit of work done before I head to the office. I'm gonna head to the office at about 8 o'clock. So I'm trying to work through my queue a little bit because I think all I'll be doing today is training, taking on a new clinic. So I just need to see how their practice works and coding that I need to use on their charges and things like that. So that's probably what today will be, but I printed out some stuff in case I will be there all day, so I'll have other work to do need be, but I don't think I'm gonna be there all day. I'm not 100% positive on that. Anyway, it's just been a busy morning trying to get myself together, get the kittens together, make sure they're fed, and I'm gonna put them some dry food down because I don't know when I'll be home. I'm hoping for around lunch, but you know, you never know. You never know how the day is gonna go when you go into the office. But anyway, just want to tell y'all good morning. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. On my way home, walking to my car. I did stay all day. It just made more sense. I had to, I mean, it didn't take me long to pick it up, but there were still questions I had, so I figured I'd just stay all day and work on this new clinic that they gave me, and if I have any questions, I'm right here. So it was a good day. It was a productive day, although all my other clinics had to be put to the wayside, but I'll get to them tomorrow. Hopefully there's not a lot of traffic. I can't wait to see my girls. They've been by themselves all day. Babies! Whoop! Oh, there was a mouse. There was a mouse by the door. Hey, Mimi girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Mama's missed you. Oh my goodness. Where's the Eddie? Where's the Eddie? Oh my goodness, there's the Eddie. Oops. Where's the Eddie? Oh my goodness. I missed y'all so much. What y'all been doing? What y'all been doing? Oh my goodness. Hey, mommy. Hey, mommy. I missed y'all. What y'all did today? Y'all ready to eat dinner or supper? Good morning, y'all. Happy Tuesday and welcome to Vlogtober day 15. I am back home today, thank goodness. I can't tell y'all how just a difference it makes to work from home from the office. I was so exhausted yesterday. When I got home, just the drive there, the drive back, and then all day of new information. I was exhausted, so I'm sorry I did not end the day properly. And then Michael got home yesterday from Houston, so I was unpacking all his dirty laundry and starting the wash and all that good stuff. And then I went to bed. And my back is still killing me. Oh, it hurts so bad. I might have to end up going to see my doctor so she can refer me to either physical therapy or chiropractor. I don't know what I need, but my back really hurts. I don't feel like I can't do anything. I'm gonna give it the rest of the week though. Try to stay low key as much as I can. And I have a very busy week ahead of me. With just doing the one clinic all day yesterday, I didn't have time to get to all my other work. So it's gonna be a busy week, which I'm not mad about at all. I also need to return my library books at some point today, whether it's this evening, which will probably have to be. I thought maybe I could go at lunch, but I think I'm gonna be too busy. So we'll have to just maybe go this evening sometime. But I'm gonna get to work. My coffee is brewing. I'm gonna go check on that. Whoa, where does blue light come from? That's weird. Is it? Oh, it's my screen. My screen was on the blue screensaver, so duh. Anyway, we're back at home today. Busy week. Back hurts. Yeah, things are great. Well, that was unexpected. I just finished Everyone Here is Lying by Sherry LaPina. Fantastic. 5 stars. I think, dare I say, this is my favorite so far by this author. I think so. I mean, this was a very fun read. I had a really good time with it. The narration was fantastic. It had a lot going on that kept you in the story. A very unlikable character that, well, I can't say too much because you must read this. If you are a fan of Sherry LaPina, definitely pick this one up. It is well worth it. So yeah, I mean, like I said before, we have this family, William and his wife, Erin. William is a doctor. They have a very troublesome child, Avery. One day she goes missing because of circumstances that happened. And then other characters come into the fold. I mean, we hear from almost everybody, but it's all in third person. Then we have Nora and Al Blanchard and their son. What's their son's name? Ryan. They have a play into the whole scenario. We have Marion Cook, who actually works as a nurse with William. Nora also works with William, so she has a role somewhere in there. So many characters and other people that are on their street that the detectives interview and ask questions about what did they see anything, what could have possibly happened to Avery. It was very exciting. And like I said, I don't know if you're a Sherry LaPina fan, or if maybe you haven't read anything yet by Sherry LaPina at all, I'd definitely start with this one. But if you have and maybe haven't been too impressed, check this out. I really enjoyed it. Sorry for the way I look today. I didn't really do anything to myself. I knew it was going to be a very busy day, which it has been so far. It's currently 11:08. And so I still have a good bit of work ahead of me. I don't know if I'm going to be caught up today, but I'm going to get done whatever else I can. I'll probably spend the rest of the day listening to my podcast, since I didn't, usually Mondays are my podcast days unless I'm really into a book. But I was at the office all day yesterday, so I didn't get to listen to any of my podcasts and their new episodes. So I think I'm gonna do that for the rest of the day before I jump into another book. But even if you are kind of in a slump, which I feel like I was a little bit in a slump because the last couple reads were not really that great for me, this one really got me out of that slump. Like after reading Five Survive by Holly Jackson was okay. But it took me a while to pick this up. But I knew I had to, because it had to go back to the library. But anyway, which I need to do that this evening because they're due tomorrow. But anyway, great time with that one. That one might be one that I want to have on my shelf, so I might have to purchase that one in the future. But anyway, I gotta get back to work, and I'll check on y'all later. What y'all doing? What are you doing, Eddie? What are you doing? Where's Mimi? Where's Mimi, girl? Mimi! There's Mimi! Mimi, what you got? You got a mouse? A ball? I can't tell. HelloFresh in today. It's always a fun day when HelloFresh comes in. And also got the kittens more kitten food. I forgot to pick my meals this week. So when you don't pick, they automatically send you, you know, whatever's on the list. I'm kind of scared. I'm not sure what's gonna be in here. Okay, we have a large sweet chili turkey and green bean bowls. Michael's not gonna be interested in that. And then we have chicken thyme with zucchini couscous. I mean, that's all sounds great for me, but Michael is not gonna eat this. So yeah, don't forget to pick your meals. Although they're usually very good, it's just I try to get something for Michael and get something for me. He's not gonna eat either one of these. He's a very picky eater.
Perfect.
I think they like it. Mimi certainly does. Ellie's just like, what is happening? You get it, Ellie girl. The library was hopping tonight. They must stay open late on a Tuesday. I think they do. I think they open till 8. Which I was gonna just go ahead and bring my books in, cause I hate just dropping them in that bin and like they sounded like they were just like hitting the bottom. I was like, oh Lord, I hope these books aren't getting harmed. But I mean, I'm sure that's why they're there. But I forgot my library card again.
So I didn't want to go inside and, you know, return the books and then be like, we need your library card, and be like, I ain't got it. Especially if I ran into that same chick last time. And that's what I need to do when I get home, like, put my library card in my little key wallet. You got out the basket? You got out? I was gonna show y'all how she gets in the basket and sleeps for a little while, but she got out. You want a towel to lay on? Or you gonna get back in? No? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, my little Mimi. And then we got an Eddie already in the bed. Alright, y'all. I have been very busy with work, and I had a lot of household things to do today after work. Had to go to the library, turn my book, so I haven't really had time to edit anything. I got a good bit of work done today. It's just super busy right now. I mean, not only did I take on another clinic to bill for, but I'm catching up from my little mini vacation. I was out 3 days last week, so I'm catching up on all of that, and so I've just been really busy as far as like work goes. And then today I just had a ton of laundry. Michael got back from Houston, so he had all that, so I want to get all that washed and out the way. Change sheets today, just got all that out the way, so hopefully the rest of the week I can focus on getting these videos up for y'all, and maybe vlogging a little bit more. But don't worry, you're not missing out on anything. We watched Dancing with the Stars and had pizza night. Now we are going to bed. My back actually feels a little better this evening, but it's still like, if I move a certain way, it kind of like pinches me. So I might put the heating pad on it again tonight. I slept with it for a little while last night, and then I took it off. I didn't want to, like, you know, burn myself. But anyway, I just want to say goodnight. As always, thank y'all so much for watching and being patient with me, getting these videos up for y'all. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Good night.
Perfect.
Vlogtober day 16. I have sucked at filming anything at all today. It's currently 6:15, almost like 6:14 actually. But anyway, it was a very, very busy day, work day, as I knew it would be. And then my mom came visit for a little while, and here we are. But I am about to, and Michael's outside cutting grass, so if y'all hear all that happening, I am going to attempt this sweet chili turkey and green bean bowl for dinner tonight for myself. He's not gonna eat this, but yeah, we're gonna give it a go. I'm getting a little hungry, but that's all I got. I listened to more podcasts today. I listened to more of Let's Not Meet podcast. I really like that podcast. I really enjoy all the spooky, like, real stories that that people have. But I have not picked up another book, although I did somewhat start Hopelessly Bromantic last night by Lauren Blakely. I didn't get very far. I fell asleep. It's kind of been one of those weeks. My brain is tired by the end of the day, but my apologies for failing at vlogging, but I promise you're not missing anything at all. And I apologize for my appearance because I did not do anything with myself today. But tomorrow the girls have their last shot. So they have a vet appointment tomorrow at 4:30. So we'll be doing that tomorrow. So I do have to make myself look presentable tomorrow. So there is that to look forward to. You don't have to see this anymore. All right, let's do some cooking. Well, that was easy. I got my rice and green beans and turkey mixture. And my toppings are cilantro, lemon juice, and these little fried onions. So we're gonna put it in this bowl and eat it. Smells really good. The only thing it said it had sweet chili in it, but I didn't add a lot. Excuse me, Mimi. Mimi! Oh my God, no, get off the counter. Mimi! No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Oh my goodness. This is not for a Mimi. Some more green beans. I know, but you had your dinner. This is Mama's dinner. Okay, so it says sprinkle with the fried onions. Yes, please. Some cilantro. Ooh, that's probably a lot. And some lime juice. There's not a lot of juice up in there. And the taste test. Hopefully it's not too spicy. But I wanted to add some flavor of the chili sauce. Trying to get a little bit of everything. Oh my gosh. so good. All good stuff, Mimi. Alright, y'all. I just finished cleaning the kitchen. Now I have a bag of towels I need to fold. Mimi and Ellie are gonna help me. And then I'm gonna take my bath and get in bed with my heating pad. Oh my goodness. My back was hurting. It was more sore this morning than like hurting. And I just kept doing stretches all day. It feels okay. I mean, it's still, I can still feel it, but I feel like it might be getting better. Possibly, hopefully, maybe. I did take a muscle relaxer last night just to kind of, you know, relax the muscles, and I put my heating pad on it, and I think that helped it pretty good. So I'm probably gonna do that again tonight. Maybe not the muscle relaxer because it's not hurting as bad as it was last night, but I will put some more heat on it. But I think I'm gonna bid y'all a good night. Sorry it was such an uneventful day today. It's just work has been really busy, and I haven't really had time to like really do anything in between. And tomorrow is going to be again another busy day. Although, oh my god, look at this child. Ellie, ma'am, what made you think you can climb the blinds? What? Oh my goodness. Anyway, I think I might actually get caught up tomorrow, but it still will be a busy day. And plus I have to do something with myself tomorrow because then we have vet appointment right after work. So it's gonna be a busy day tomorrow. Again, I'm ready for the weekend. Chill this weekend, and then next weekend we have a full weekend. Next weekend we have a Halloween party next Friday night, which I don't know. Michael's probably not gonna dress up. I don't know if I'm gonna dress up.
In here?
Ellie's in here somewhere. She might be in the bathroom. I don't know if I'm gonna dress up like with me and my sister-in-law and my niece. I'm not sure. I hadn't really talked to them about it. But we're going to the Halloween party regardless because my brother's playing. And then Saturday night we are heading back to the Beau Rivage because we're going to see Bare Naked Ladies and Toad at the theater at the Beau. And then of course we'll probably go to the 875 Club afterwards, and we're staying with my brother, of course, while we're there, and we'll be coming home on Sunday. So next weekend is going to be a busy weekend. It's like October has been busy and it's flying by. Before we know it, it's going to be Thanksgiving and then Christmas. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going fold these towels and then get in the tub, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Thank y'all so much always for watching. So sorry I'm delayed with getting all these videos up. I'm actually still editing day 12 and 13. I probably should go do that before I get in the tub and try to get that up for y'all. Oh my goodness. It's coming, y'all. It's coming. But I'll see y'all tomorrow.